Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejelau Conrad ke Sangma ulang ba sorkar kekeluai ban sngap ikijing pensngau batrai ban Pyndam no ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arajar arhuai ha ke baula benram bada kejing pendu ya kenikaan mentah kan nong Biang kumbajulong Mynshwa. Halor kajing penbenau Menteri Ketenat Khajana James PK Sangma ban Pyndam no ya kenikaan Menteri Rangba ulang ban Pyndam ya kenikaan la ban le shwa mentah lingba kajing wanra ya ke ordinance. Haba keli kumnu ke sorkar kan le mentah ya ki judging le kai khalai ki babian haba dan show ka an mentah ulang bada kajing pendu ya kenikaan kanom dan show kanu kajing khanglan ya kajing khalai bean bat mentah kan nong Biang kumbajulong Mynshwa. Ulaya tu ba kumba ong Menteri Ketenat Khajana hadian kajing ya kendu bat kiken hun baper ke sorkar ke snutu ya kajing kwa jung ki pat ba bat na kali ang menteri ulai kendu ru ya Menteri Rangba ha ka bala ya kran sani bhai ya kania.
Normally repealing of acts can be done through ordinance, and that ordinance can be then passed in the house. So therefore, the way the Street Vendors Act was repealed by an ordinance, and then it was regularized in the next session. So similarly, any act can be repealed through the ordinance, and that is the procedure that is followed. So therefore, that is the other side of the story. But we definitely will be back to square one now, and we'll have to see how to move forward in this line. So, but as the Honourable Taxation Minister had said, that after speaking to different stakeholders, he sensed that there were concerns, and therefore, in the larger interest, we had in fact a couple of discussions about this, Honourable Taxation Minister myself, and even before he made this announcement, he had met me in the morning, and we had discussed this in detail. We had informed the other members also, and then we decided, I told him we go ahead with this. As a state government, we have always maintained that we have listened to the voice of the people, and you have seen this happen in many occasions, and I've maintained this. And we strongly feel that when the concerns of the citizens are there, people are there, then the government must listen. So whether elections are there or not, the point that the government must keep the concerns of the people, and this government has always kept that as a priority. In many occasions, we've seen that this has been done in Dasman. So it's being done from the matter of point of the people's concern and the people's desire that this should be reviewed, and that's what they've done. Yeah, so therefore the other forms, as I said, this particular act was ensuring that people would not be able to enter different gambling places, and wherever the licenses were given, anybody who wanted to operate would have to apply for licenses. So obviously in the absence of that, now there's not a specific law, and we're back to square one. So the way things were in the past, that's how things will be as of now, until we examine and see how we will move.
Also mentioned that it is unfair to collect, or it is an unclean revenue to collect from such gaming activities. So now, with the government deciding to do away with this act, will it also do away with other activities like tir and other which are also not clean? Because the government is collecting revenue from these activities.
It's not a question of clean or not clean. That's really a matter of definition and perspective that one may have. But yes, in a way you are right that if you look at every activity, then one could have a particular perception about a particular activity. And many activities have different forms of chances and different forms of skill involved with all of them. So therefore, this aspect will always be there. But the concerns regarding the regulation that we had put, the gaming regulation, this had more concerns than simply the gambling aspect, and the fear of the and the concerns of the society at large was that it will have a larger and a more different impact than the other forms of games and other forms of gambling and the games of chance that are there. And hence those concerns were what had been a matter of concern for the government. And after hearing everybody out, we realized that this is a matter that people are obviously very concerned about, and so we decided that till we're able to move forward properly, and we're able to really come with a proper system where people will feel that this being able to take care of all these different aspects, we felt that let us go with the will of the people and overall the concerns of the citizens, and we decided that we will do that.